School with.
Who do you go to school with?
What?
Gloria.
What?
Say Gloria.
Gloria?
Who else? Who's your friends? Is there any boys?
Santa
Samantha. Who else?
and Roscoe Pickle Tree.
Roscoe P. Coltrane. Who is that?
Talk to her.
What's your teacher's name?
Miss Shawnee
Miss Shawnee.
and
Miss Jennifer.
and Miss Shepherd
Miss Elaine.
and Miss Lane.
Yeah. What's your favorite thing?
Austin.
Hey, did you go to the aquarium?
The octopus.
Octopus.